Hi guys, postman's bin. Got 4 packages here. I'm using one of my action cameras to do this video just as a test. So I'm not quite sure what the audio and the video will be like. It's a wide angle lens, so stuff will be a bit odd around the edges. Okay, yeah, 4. This one, electronic suite. I did order a couple of kits from eBay. This one's come from the Philippines. Just cheap kits, something to do on a wet and windy day or something like that, or a cold evening. Yeah, I know what this one is. This is supposed to be a metal detector. Now, the printed circuit is actually the coil that what we got? We got a little speaker there, or yeah, LED, 2 transistors, a few capacitors, 3 transistors, a few capacitors, a few LEDs, 4 transistors. Wow. So yeah, that should only take a few minutes to put together. So that'll be something to do on a, as I say, on a cold, wet evening sometime. So that can go back in the bag. That one also comes from the Philippines. Expansion board module. Okay, let's see what that one is. Expansion board module. Okay, that isn't quite what it says on the bag, is it? I seem to get through lots of these. I use these ones, which I think are the females, quite a lot, because I just connect them onto little DC motors and then use the males to connect up the ESC. But most of the ESCs have already got the males, so I seem to use a lot of females and very few males. I expect somebody will misinterpret that. Okay, so that can go in the bag. In fact, that can go in that bag, which is where I keep all my connectors, all mixed in together. And that there shouldn't be in there. That's a gyro for a car to help it go straight when you put the power on. I bought that ages ago, never used it. Okay, this one was posted in England or the UK. Not sure. Lipo batteries and a little charger. I wanted a small battery for that glider that I've been working on. That one. And that would be the right size. But I've actually used one of my Poundland. Hang on, I'll go and get it. These Poundland power pods, they've got a LiPo battery inside. So that's what's actually in there at the moment. That one. That one's supposed to be 600 milliamp hours, that one's supposed to be 650, whether you believe it or not. But that would, if necessary, fit in there fine. And I can charge 4 at once off a USB port. Okay, pop that back in there before I forget it. Off on holiday tomorrow. Only a short break, Might get a chance to try and fly that. Might. Right, that goes in my Lipo bag, wherever that is. Stick it back in there for now. Finally, that one. Model adapter. Model adapter. £7.05. And looks like it's been opened and resealed. Okay, don't remember what this is. Oh, okay. That looks very much like a ESC. Brushless ESC. I wonder if this is the one that does reverse. Have to go back and check. I know I was ordering one that does reverse, but I don't know if this is the one. Have to plug it into something and find out. Looks like it's supposed to be waterproof. Got a fan on it to keep it cool. I don't remember. Okay. We'll try out on Barbie. I don't think we'll be able to see, but I've initialised it and we should be able to go one way. I'm just slowly easing the throttle. Okay, that's actually going clockwise, top away from us. That's supposed to be glued onto the connector there to give us a bit of airflow. It looks like it's got a braking effect as well. Ah, there's a little plug on there that I can move. That might be the brake. I'll have to go and check the details because it doesn't tell me at all on here. Oh, there we are. Connect for adjustment. There are two modes to choose from: forward, brake, back, default, and forward, back. So I think that's a matter of moving that little fella. So at the moment it's in brake mode. Yeah, it's the usual one. I have to push it all the way before it will. Nearly went. Let's move that little plug. Switch it off again. Move that one over to the other side. So now we should have forwards and backwards. Oh, it'd help if I hadn't knocked one of the leads out, wouldn't it? Yeah, so now we have a brushless ESC that will give us forwards and backwards. Okay, so that's why I bought that one. I thought I did, but I had to remember. That's really designed for a car, isn't it? But I expect I could put it in the boat. Right, so that's today's Postbag. Electronic kit, an ESC, some connectors. What was the other thing? I've forgotten now. Oh, some Lipo batteries, some small ones. Yeah, that should keep me occupied.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.